guys, my name's T. Evans. The team and I here at MarineMax are excited to invite you to the 2024 Upstate South Carolina Boat Show, starting Thursday, January 25th, runs through Sunday, January 28th. We're gonna have a full lineup of boats that we carry at the show, including this twin-engine QX Bennington. We're also gonna have everything from the SV series all the way up to the QX series.
Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax. We're excited to announce that we are now at Boston Whaler Dealer. In addition to having Boston Whaler at the show, we will also have Scout Boats. Looking forward to seeing you.
We're excited to be able to offer you this year a full lineup of our Yamaha boats. Also, we'll have a full lineup of all of our MasterCraft models at the show. Really excited to have you come out and check out.
On top of the great inventory that we're bringing to the show this year, we're also going to bring all of our lenders on hand with the great incentives that they're offering as well. Hope to see y'all guys out this year.